read about this page number 11. Whatever is on this page we already has read, okay, in our previous class, in our previous lecture, but once again I will revise all the things for you. Okay, yes, food. When we feel hungry, we eat food. Yes, keep this thing always in your mind. When we feel hungry, we eat food, and food gives us energy, and food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, when you will play more outdoor games, then you need more energy. When you will play more outdoor games, then you need more energy, so you have to eat more healthy food. Okay, so food gives us energy to work and play. And one more thing I already explained in my previous lecture, that you all are a growing up child. Okay, so in this condition you need more healthy food rather than we all. Okay, you need more healthy food rather than the us. Okay, yes, in this category there is the picture of the food. We already read about this picture: bread, milk, fish, all type of vegetarian fruits and butters. Okay, in this category we are eating different types of food, so we will get the good healthy and fit body. Okay, in this category there are three types of food. First one is energy giving food. Energy giving food means ऐसा खाना जो हमें बहुत सारी ताकत देता है. एनर्जी मीन्स ताकत. ओके, एनर्जी मीन्स ताकत. एंड then energy means ताकत for what? Energy for what? For work and play. See, when you will lose your energy, when you will play more outdoor games, then you will lose your energy definitely. Then you need energy, and then you will eat the food. So energy giving food means ऐसा खाना जो हमें एनर्जी देता है. In this category, in your book there are 4 types of food is over here. First one is potato, then bread, butter and sugar. These 4 contains of the energy giving food. It means they are giving us energy instant. Okay, and second one is body building food. Body building food means we can good muscles. When we will eat this type of food, then we will get good body, or we will get good strong muscles by eating all the body building food. And the names of the body building foods are milk, eggs, fish and all types of grains. Okay, or milk, egg, fish and grains. These called body building food. When we will eat these type of food, then we will get good strong muscles, and good strong muscles help us to move, to run, to jump, to hold something. Okay, see, suppose when you will see the Tiger Shroff, then you will feel very good. Why? Because he is very healthy, fit and athlete body. It means he has strong muscles. He can jump, he can run faster, he can jump, and he can do all types of actions which we cannot do. He can do all types of actions which we cannot do. It means he has a fit and healthy body. Fit, healthy and athlete body. Okay. So when we will eat bodybuilding foods, then we will get good body. Good body means strong muscles. Good body means strong muscles, and strong muscles help us to move, run, jump, walk and hold something properly. Okay. Then third one is protective food. Third one is protective food. We call protective in Hindi सुरक्षा. इस तरह का खाना खाने से हमारी सुरक्षा होती है. Protection from what? Protection from all type of diseases. Okay. Some students are having cough and cold very easily. Why? Because they are not interested to eat all type of fruits and vegetables. I have seen when you was in class 1, that time I have seen some students are not eating all types of vegetables in mess. It means what? If they will not eat the all types of vegetables, if they will not eat all types of fruit, if they will not eat the salad, so they will get sick. They will get sick easily rather than the others. If we will eat all types of protective food, if we eat all types of protective food, it means we will not fall sick easily. Okay, in this category, all types of vegetables, all types of fruits are coming. So this is the explanation of this page number 11. Now I am going to turn the page, then I will tell you about something in what is balanced diet. See dear students, first you have to understand the meaning of balance. Balance means what? Balance means what? See, this is a book and I am going to keep this book on my head. Then I will try to walk. If I can balance this book properly on my head, then I can walk easily. Okay, if I cannot balance this book properly, then it means I am not having proper balance. So balance means what we call in Hindi balance. I am forgetting what we call in the balance. Barabar. Yes, balance means barabar. Na kam, na zyada. Okay, so in this chart we have to take at least 1 glass of milk every day. Okay, we have to take at least 1 glass of milk every day. Try to take butter and curd or milk or buttermilk, and eat fruits and vegetables, and don't forget to eat the salad. Salad is the main part of the balanced diet, and people who are non-vegetarian, they can have fish and eggs also. If you are a vegetarian person, then you can have a glass of milk, fruits, vegetables, salad, butter, curd, all these things. Okay, then the water and the salad is the important part of our life. Yes, always try to drink more than 8 glass water in a day. See, we humans have the 70% water in our body, so always drink more water, but your drinking water should be pure. Okay, in our Nimad area, this area is very hot, so try to eat more water. Try to eat more water, more than 8 glass in a day. Okay, then I will explain this part. Meal time. See, we all are having 3 meals in a day. We all are having 3 meals in a day. Okay, first one is our breakfast, then lunch, and then the last meal of the day is dinner. Last meal of the day is dinner. Okay. Breakfast. How and when we will eat our breakfast? See, our breakfast always try to take on time between 9 to 8 to 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and always try to have healthy breakfast. Always try to have healthy breakfast. Okay, in this category you can take bread, butter, jam, or you can have idli, dosa, upma, poha, sprouts. These all are the healthy breakfast. When you will take the lunch is the second meal of the day. We have it in the afternoon, and we should take little light. We should take little light rather than the breakfast. In our lunch we can take chapatis, rice, all types of dals, salad and all. And dinner is the last meal of the day, and we have dinner at night. And always try to take your dinner very light rather than your breakfast, rather than your lunch. Dinner always should be light. Always should be light. Okay. So now this is the explanation of the meal timing. Now I am going to read this part. Where does food comes from? Where does food comes from? It means खाना कहाँ से आता है? खाना कहाँ से आता है? So we are going to read about this. We get food from both. We get food from both. Yes, it is very much correct. We get food from both. Number one, plants. Number one, plants. And number two, animals. And number two, animals. Yes. Your line number one is written. We get food from both the things, plants and animals. Okay. So we get all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, all type of grains, nut and oil from the plant. Okay, we get all type of fruits, all type of vegetables, all type of grains, all type of nuts and the oil from the plant. Yes, we are getting all the things, maximum number of the things we are getting from the plant only. And then the animals, we are getting animals. Okay, tell me one thing first. Your mama and your papa will start their morning by whom? किस चीज से वो अपने सुबह की शुरुआत करते हैं? They are starting their morning with the what? With the tea. And have you think where from where you are getting the milk? You are getting the milk from the animals. You are getting the milk from the animals. Animals, the cow, buffalo and goat. We are getting the milk from these animals. We are getting the milk from the animals, cow, buffalo and goat. But keep one more thing in your mind. People who are living in desert areas, they are getting the milk from camel and yak also. They are getting their milk from the camel and yak also. So in this category, where does food comes from? We are getting food from plants and animals, and we are eating all the parts of the plant. We are eating all the parts of the plant. This you will learn when you will go in class 3. These two things you will learn very deeply when you will go in class 3. Okay, I think this is enough explanation about these two things. Now I am going to read the last para. I am going to read the last para of page number 13. Smart eating. The heading of this paragraph is smart eating. Smart eating means what? Smart eating means अच्छी तरह की खाने की आदतें. Smart eating habits means खाने की अच्छी आदतें. Okay. Nowadays you are washing your hands again and again at your homes. Na, your mama always telling you no, first you go and wash your hands. So what is written in first line? Wash your hands before and after every meal. Yes, it is very much correct, but nowadays we are washing our hands within 1 hour. एक घंटे में हम सब अपने hands wash कर रहे हैं. We all are washing our hands not only before and after meal, but we are washing our hands within 1 hour. We are washing our hands within 1 hour. And second one is do not spoil food while eating. Yes, it is very much correct. Do not spill food while eating. खाते समय खाना नहीं गिराना है. Okay. And waste भी नहीं करना है. Do not waste food. Okay. Eat slowly and chew the food well. The word chew is written over here. Chew means chabana. Chew means chabana. That's why chewing gum is made up with this word chew. Okay, eat slowly and chew your food well. It means आपको अपने खाने को धीरे धीरे आराम से खाना है and chew it well और अच्छे से चबाना भी है. Eat meals at the right time. Yes, always take your breakfast, your lunch and your dinner on time. Okay. Then drink plenty of water throughout the day. Always drink more than 8 glasses in a day. Then brush your teeth twice in a day. Yes, it is very much correct. Always brush your teeth at least 2 times in a day, or try to brush your teeth after every meal. Whether it is breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay. Then the last part of the chapter, how food reaches us. The last part of the chapter, how food reaches us. We will learn about these in our next lecture. We will learn all about these in our next lecture. So I am going to repeat all over the things, how whatever we are learning in this chapter or whatever I explained you, then I will revise once again. Okay. See, in this chapter we learnt about the balanced diet and different kinds of foods and healthy habits. Okay. In this category there are 3 types of food. First one is energy giving food, second one is bodybuilding food, and third one is protective food. Okay, energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. This is the category of the kind of the food. Okay, in this category we learned when we will get the energy, then we will eat the potatoes, rice and bread, butter and all. How we can get good body? We can get good body by eating bodybuilding foods like eggs, fish and all. And the protective food, how we can protect ourselves from the diseases. We can protect ourselves from the diseases by eating all types of vegetables and fruits. Okay. Then we learnt about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet means Balanced diet means always have balanced food in your diet. Okay, try to involve all these things in your diet, like milk, butter, all type of fruits, vegetables, salad. If you are a vegetarian person, then eat all these things, and if you are a non-vegetarian person, then eat only, you can eat fish, eggs and all. Okay, so this is your balanced diet. Then water and salad. Water and salad also plays very important role in our balanced diet. Drink always neat, clean and pure water, and try to drink plenty of water in a day, and don't forget to eat salad. Okay, involve your salad in your daily routine. Involve the salad in your daily routine. Then the meal time. See, always try to take your breakfast, your lunch and your dinner on time. Okay, take always healthy food in your breakfast. Take always healthy food in your breakfast, and tell to your mama, please fix a time, and that time only you will get your breakfast. Okay, then try to fix the time of lunch and as well as last meal of the day, dinner also. And then we learned about the where does food comes from, खाना कहाँ से आता है. Then food, we get food from both the things. First one is plants and second one is animals. We are getting food from both plants and animals. See, we are getting all types of vegetarians, all type of vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, oil from the plant, and we get milk, eggs, meat, honey, fish from the animals. Okay, then we learnt about the smart eating habits. Okay, wash your hands after and before every meal, but nowadays we all are washing our hands within 1 hour. Okay, then don't spoil the food, don't waste the food. Take always food how much you want to eat, take much that only. Okay, then eat slowly, chew your food well, then drink always plenty of water in a day. So this is the explanation all about the chapter. Only one paragraph is remain, that we will complete tomorrow, how food reaches us. So it is over from my side. Tomorrow we will meet again with next paragraph. So bye bye and keep study at home.